After you finish, share in the comments below your score. What is the correct answer? He asked her in, but she didn't have time to visit him just then. What is the correct answer? The mechanic broke the engine down into its many components. What is the correct answer? He backed the truck away from the edge of the cliff. What is the correct answer? He asked her out, but she said she already had a boyfriend. What is the correct answer? The police backed the angry mob off with their horses and bullhorns. What is the correct answer? The couple broke off their engagement after they had a huge argument. What is the correct answer? The owner broke up the team by trading its best players to other teams. What is the correct answer? The new mayor will bring about a change in local government policies. What is the correct answer? Many people wish that they could bring the good old days back. What is the correct answer? Parents bring up their kids the best way they know how. What is the correct answer? I will call you back as soon as I can. What is the correct answer? The promoters called the concert off because the singer had a sore throat. What is the correct answer? He called up his girlfriend to talk to her. What is the correct answer? She checked each item off as she did her inventory. What is the correct answer? Let's check our hotel room out before we pay for it. What is the correct answer? He lost the tennis match, so we will try to cheer him up. What is the correct answer? Clean all the countertops off before you leave the kitchen. What is the correct answer? Did you clean out your desk drawers before you moved to your new office? What is the correct answer? She cleaned up all the food she spilled onto the floor. What is the correct answer? He will cross off each item as it is depleted. What is the correct answer? Cross out my name because I won't be able to attend. What is the correct answer? I cut back my calories in order to lose weight. What is the correct answer? She will cut down the number of cigarettes she smokes. What is the correct answer? Don't cut off your nose in order to spite your face. What is the correct answer? I dropped my son off at soccer practice before I went to the office. What is the correct answer? Have you figured out how to solve the problem yet? What is the correct answer? After you fill the application form out, sign it and date it. What is the correct answer? You should always fill up your tank when it gets down to full. What is the correct answer? All students must hand in their homework the day after it is assigned. What is the correct answer? The teacher handed the test out 5 minutes after class started.